Hello friends, welcome to my soldering tutorial. For soldering you will need a standard soldering iron. It is better if the soldering iron is temperature controlled. It is helps in not overheating the component. Then you will need a soldering wire, which is basically a alloy of tin. It helps in filling the gaps in the soldering joint, and it contains core in flux in the core, which helps with corroding the oxide layers on top of the metals. Then either you will need a brass cleaning wire or a wet sponge for cleaning the soldering. You can take whichever is convenient to you. So let's see how the soldering process works, right? Here I have a PCB with two resistors. I will try to solder these two resistors onto the PCB. You first bend the leads of the resistor and slide it into the PCB. Similarly, you can do it with another resistor or another component. Bend it and slide it into the PCB. After inserting it, you bend the lid slightly so that the component stays into the place, otherwise it will drop off while doing the soldering, right? Then you take a little bit of flux and apply flux at the soldering junctions where you want to flow the solder. Only little bit of flux, don't use too much of flux. Then apply the soldering iron at the tip of the lead at the junction, and apply the soldering wire. Don't apply the soldering wire directly to the soldering iron, but at the junction or at the joint. Apply little bit of soldering iron and see, it will create a shiny soldering joint. See, it should be a volcanic shape soldering joint. Similarly, with the other leads also you can do the same thing. Apply soldering iron, then apply soldering wire, then remove the soldering wire, and then remove the soldering iron. Apply soldering iron, apply soldering wire, remove the soldering wire and remove the soldering iron. Apply soldering iron, apply soldering wire, remove the soldering wire and remove the soldering iron. Apply soldering iron, apply soldering wire, remove soldering wire and remove soldering iron. Now friends, let us see this process with little bit of magnification to understand it better. Here there is a similar soldering joint with my microscope. I am applying a little bit of flux, then I will apply a soldering iron to the base of the tip, and then apply the soldering wire. See, it is so easy to do soldering. Thank you friends for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video.